Okay, let's see what you brought for show and tell.
I brought Jessie and Bullseye.
Jessie and Bullseye. Let's see what Jessie looks like. Can you show her to the camera? Look how cute. Where's Bullseye? Oh, look. What do you like about them?
Chicken meal.
Penelope. Oh, now you have Jessie and Woody. Can you show Woody to the camera? What do you like about them?
To be all. This is my husband, and this is my husband too.
They're both your husbands?
Yeah.
You got two husbands? Yeah? Do you sleep with them at night?
About.
That's hilarious. Yeah, it's definitely something to talk about.
You're coming back, Penelope?
This is Tinkerbell flies.
Oh, which one are you going to pick for show and tell? You can only bring one.
Can I bring one?
I just have all these things.
Thank you.
Well, bye.
Bye.
See you later, Cosmo. Because we're going to see you later.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Say hi to the camera. Say hi. No, 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 no.